Hey guys, what's up? Finally back with another box break. It's been a while since I did a box break due to the lack of baseball products coming out. But my birthday's today. Got mostly money, but did get surprised with a hanger box. So I'm going to open this. Not a big fan of this year's blasters with the commemorative medallion. Not a big fan of those, so I avoided picking one of those up. But I do want to take a look at some of the base cards and inserts. The perspective inserts that I've seen. They're nice cards. I hope I get one of those. For anyone wondering, here are the odds. If you want to go and pause that and take a look. I've never been to this though. It feels pretty heavy. I'm not sure what a normal one feels like. Maybe it's one of those cut signatures that you got about a 1 in a million chance of getting. Christian Yelich is going to be the first card I've seen. As always, first card you see in a box is important. Only not really. So here we go. Let's take a look at this stuff. Doesn't look like any flip cards in there. So, got Christian Yelich to start it off. Asdrubal Cabrera, and this year's base cards are pretty stunning. Borderless Travis d'Arnaud, Steven Souza Jr., Ike Davis, Billy Burns. I'm going to try and find some Cardinals cards in here though. Scott Feldman, Miguel Montero. Whoa, and my background just fell down, so forgive me there. I need to pick up some stands. Anibal Sanchez, Kevin Plawecki, Future Stars, and sweet Mike Moustakas, World Series card. Nice card there. I like the look of that one. Getting hit off Familia. Another nice one. Washington Nationals. It's got Bryce Harper coming in the dugout after one of his 40 home runs, probably. Brad Ziegler. Glenn Perkins. Bryce Harper. Nice shot there. It's a beautiful card. Not a huge fan of Harper, but nice card. Wade Miley. This is also, I forgot to mention this, the Target one. So it's got the amazing milestone cards. Walmart has, I don't remember what they've got. Breaking history or something like that. Jake Arrieta, Zach Greinke, and Garrett Cole. Here's a gold Luke Hochevar and Salvador Perez with the Royals. And that's a pretty card too. Beautiful card. Wow. That's the 2016 for the little Royals side PC. David Price rookie card. That must be one of the Burgers' best. Yep. Pretty cool little insert set there. First pitch, Rebecca Gregory. I'm not familiar with her. Those are two insert sets I didn't want. Was the 100 Years Wrigley and First Pitch, but got them both. Clark, I don't know what that. And here's the set I was wanting. Gregory Polanco Perspectives. really sick cards. Unfortunately, hey, Molina still got in it, so still Cardinal on the card, but doesn't appear he's out. So beautiful card though. MLB debut, Brooks Robinson. That's a really cool card. I like those. Willie Mays. This is an amazing milestone. Cool. Starling Marte, walk-off winners. Another cool design. I'm also looking for Corey Seager rookie. That'd be always a nice one. So I guess now we're returning to the base. Francisco Lindor. Trace Thompson rookie. Daniel Alvarez rookie. Jose Altuve. I never can get any Cardinals. Kyle Hendricks. Taylor Jugman, Future Stars. Nolan Arenado. Pretty cool guy there. Miguel Sano rookie. One of the better rookies in this year's set. Charlie Blackmon. Kelvin Tomlinson. Not familiar with him, that's a rookie card. Garrett Richards. Jacob deGrom. Darnell Sweeney. Will Harris. Resny Castillo. Last year his rookie was a big hit. There's one. There's a good one. Chris Bryant. Future Stars. It's got the Topps All-Star rookie team. So did the Snow. CJ Cron. Mookie Betts. Cool card there. I like the look of that one. Travis Jankowski rookie card. Still no signs of the Cardinals. Matt Kemp. Max Scherzer. Zach Godley rookie. Gio Gonzalez. Zach Lee rookie card. Joe Panic. Oakland Athletics team card. Carlos Ruiz. I don't know what this up here is. Yankees team card. Donaldson, Davis, Batista, home run. Kings. New Order. Can't tell who that is. It's Correa and Altuve. Here's an Altuve. Carlos connection equals liftoff. Springer, Correa, Altuve, I think. Cool card though. Rediscover top. Promo 50 cents off. Offer valid on Series 1, Series 2, Heritage Opening Day, Chips of Queen, Bowman, Archives, and Mini Team Set. So, I mean, I'll have to use that probably, but. Yanel Escobar. Paul Goldschmidt. Michael Conforto, rookie. Eddie Rosario. Charlie Morton. Alex Dickerson. And I'm already almost 9 minutes into this. I apologize. Pat Neshek, that's a good one to go out through the mail. Ryan Hannigan. Trevor Bauer. Brian McCann. Adrian Gonzalez. Jimmy Paredes. Finally, we got a Cardinal. Kevin Seagrist. He's a pretty good reliever for us. Jake Peavy. Chase Utley. John J. Sill. And Michael Kadire. So overall, base look nice. If you like collecting sets and such, then I suggest it. It's definitely a nice looking product. I probably won't get, but I might purchase another hanger box or jumbo pack, just get some base, see if I can pull some Cardinals or more cool inserts. But gotta say, it's not my favorite product. I did get some pretty good base cards, Sano and Conforto rookie. really wanted Piscotty rookie. Are some cool looking inserts in here, especially the perspectives, but overall I didn't get what I was looking for. Only got 1 Cardinal and 2 Royals, so not bad. Birthday present. It's always fun opening packs, so until next time, I'll probably have a mail day coming up soon. God bless, and stay tuned for my next break.